Phoenix Racing Honda's Dylan Ferrandis announced on Monday that he will miss the entire 2025 AMA Pro Motocross Championship due to a stress fracture in his leg. That is the injury news coming out today as I'm recording this, and we do have also a quote from him saying, "Supercross season done, finish P7 in the championship. Unfortunately, I will not race this summer. I have a stress fracture on my left leg I've been dealing with all season. I thought I got rid of it lately, but it came back last week. Bummer because I loved the outdoor and felt my Phoenix Honda racing bike had greater potential for it. Plan is to be back for SMX and maybe last couple rounds of MX." This sucks. We're not even into the outdoors. We've already lost. I don't know how you want to say, I guess you could call him a contender. At some points, he's probably going to be in the top five, or you could expect him around there. Um, I mean, at this point, he's far and away from the 250 championship rider that he was, and as good as Phoenix Honda is as a bike, you very rarely see non-factory winners now. But I mean, this sucks. You're already coming into outdoors where you're not going to have rocks in. Um, who knows how many people are going to be nagging injuries and slower than they should be. Hopefully, knock on wood, we do get Jet Lawrence and Hunter Lawrence maybe for Paula, or at least soon. So you have, a refill of the injury guys and Tomac coming back. So this should help fill out the field some more. But it's gotta suck if you've been. I want to know how he's been racing this whole time. He's got a stress fracture in his leg, and he's been racing with it for most of the season. I mean, can you imagine the pain that he's been through? I saw somebody comment on Instagram, whatever, Twitter, that you think Tomac barely finished a race with a broken leg, and I mean, obviously that's probably a bigger fracture or worse fracture or whatever you want to call it. But if you've been racing with that kind of injury this whole year, that's some serious balls. Maybe a little stupid, and probably should have stopped and got it fixed so you're not just rolling around, below your potential. But I don't know. You guys tell me, are you excited for the outdoors since Supercross is over? Whatever it is, comment down below while you're down there. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really just helps me out. I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.